Hello everyone, welcome back. If you try to launch your Roblox app on your Android and iOS platform but the homepage is not loading, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to tap and hold the app store. Here we have to tap on updates and check the list is there is any update available for Roblox. If there is, then we have to update the app first, or we have to search manually the update. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on journal and tap iPhone storage. Under iPhone storage, we are going to search for Roblox. After tap on Roblox, we have to tap on offload app and tap offload app again. After offload app, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model and Android mobile phone. After force restart, go back to App Store and re-download. Sometimes it happen the home page on loading, other all options are working fine. Then what we have to do, we have to tap on three dot and scroll and tap log out and log out from the Roblox app. Now we have to wait for a few seconds and log in back. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.